Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something that secretly works behind every video you watch, every photo you share, and every song you listen to. It's called data compression. By the end of this video, you will understand how it works, why it is important, and the two main types that makes our digital world faster and smarter. So stay till the end. I have got some cool example you will recognize. So, what exactly is data compression? Imagine you are packing for a trip. You have a huge file of clothes but a small bag. What do? You roll, fold, and squeeze them tightly to fit more. That's exactly what computers do. Data compression reduces file size by removing unnecessary or repeatable data, so we can store and share things faster. Example, a 10 MB image can be compressed by into 2 MB. Same photo, smaller size. Okay, why do we even need this? Imagine downloading a movie that takes 1 hour without compression. But with compression, the same movie might take just 10 minutes. It saves space, reduces internet data, and makes sharing faster. It's everywhere, from WhatsApp to YouTube to Google Drive. Now, compression comes in two main types. The first one is lossless, where nothing is lost. The second one is lossy, where we throw away tiny, unimportant details. Lossless compression keeps every single bit of your data safe. When you unzip or restore the file, it comes back exactly the same. It's used for text, code, or anything that must stay perfect, like zip file or PNG images. Here's a fun trick. Imagine you have a sentences with repeating letters A, B, 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 C, C. Instead of writing all that, we can say 5A, 3B, 2C. That's called run length encoding. Another method, Huffman coding. Give a shorter code to frequent letters and longer ones to rare ones. So you save space without losing information. Now here comes the other type, lossy compression. This one says, hey, I will remove tiny details human can't notice anyway. It's used in media, photos, songs, videos. When you upload a picture to Facebook or send a video on WhatsApp, that's lossy compression at work. It's like a resizing a photo. You don't see a big difference, but the file becomes super small. Lossy compression works smartly. It removes what you can't see or hear. For example, JPG removes tiny colors, changes that our eyes can't detect. MP3 removes sound frequencies our ears don't catch. The result, you get smaller files with almost the same quality. Let's compare the two quickly. Lossless, no data lost. Bigger files, best for text or software. Lossy, some data lost. Smaller files, best for images and videos. It's not about better or worse. It's about choosing what right for your purpose. Look around you. Data compression is everywhere. When you see folders, lossless. When you stream YouTube, lossy. WhatsApp photo, lossy. Cloud backup, most lossless. It's secret sauce that keeps our internet fast and storage is affordable. Let's quickly recap. Data compression makes files smaller. Two types, lossless and lossy. It saves space, time and data. It powers everything from apps to videos. Without compression, the digital world would move at snail speed. So friends, now you know how your favorite apps makes things fast and efficient using data compression. I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, comment what you learned and subscribe for more teach learning video with me. See you in the next video. Stay smart and keep learning. Bye bye.